Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at a cool, kind of older Swiss Army knife. And this Swiss Army knife is the Victorinox Trooper. You might also see it as like the Safari Trooper. And what it is it's the civilian version of a German army knife. And, well, let's open it up. Now, this knife is discontinued, as you can see. You can still find these on, like, eBay and around. The price kind of varies. And this one comes with a little kind of sheathy thing. If I can get it out. It comes with a little sheath. And congratulations, you are the proud owner of... Here we go. Congratulations, Victorinox is proud that you've selected blah 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 knives, blah blah blah. Let's see. You can see don't overlook tweezers and toothpick. Shows you how to oil things. And there. And nothing on the back. Alright. So, and you have the little leather, I don't know, useless thing. Anyway. Okay. So, first of all, you might be wondering, this knife looks a little weird. Well, this is a larger version of the Swiss Army knife. This is the 108mm knife, as opposed to the traditional 91mm, or 84. Yeah. So, it's a bit bigger. Let's take a look at it. And so closed, you're looking at about a little bit over 4 inches. Now, this thing has a couple of different things. This is a bit different. You notice the scales are different on this. They're drastically different scales. It has a lanyard hole here, as you can see. And it's got a traditional corkscrew, but I'm pretty sure the corkscrew is noticeably larger. Yep, it can definitely screw more corks. I don't know where that's going, but anyway. So you have a bigger corkscrew. And this one has the awl, if I remember correctly. Yep, has an awl, and it's a bigger one than normal. This one, though, doesn't have the hole in it like the other ones. As you see, this is the more traditional one, where you have the hole. The other thing is, can you see right here? This is kind of curved a little bit. The edge is curved. And this edge is a more straight edge right here. Still looks pretty sharp, though. So, the awl is a bit different. Let's open up. This thing has two blades. The first blade is the big old Swiss Army knife blade, and for comparison, definitely a size difference there. And the blade is about like 3 inches, as opposed to, I know this one is 2.45 inches. So you get about another half-inch blade on this. And I'm curious. We know that Swiss Army knives, at least these out of the box, are super sharp. Let's see how one of these older ones is out of the box. Ooh. So they haven't skimped on sharpness any, which is good. Now this knife has, I'm being attacked by a Post-it note. this knife has something super weird, and I've been trying to figure it out. It's the other blade. This is the other blade. It's got a screwdriver end and one of the like combi can opener, bottle opener things, like the kind of thing you see on the Compact. Like this is the Victorinox Compact, and as you can see, it has one of the combi blades too, where it's like a bottle opener and can opener, and that's what you get with this one. Only this one's a little bit bigger. But here's the weird thing. Did y'all notice this metal thing right here? This metal thing covers, if I can get it off. Maybe I can get it off. I kind of wonder if I needed instructions for this. It covers. The Swiss Army Knife watch tool fixes everything. It covers the saw. And this is kind of the standard Swiss Army knife saw. It's a little weird having it attached to this, though. The thing that I wonder about, though, is I wonder if you end up using this like a lot out in the field, how long this cover would stick around. I don't know. It's just kind of an odd choice. Have y'all seen, I've never seen another Swiss Army knife except for the random ones in this line that have this kind of cover. If y'all have seen any other things like this, let me know in the comments. I'm curious about that. But as you can see, it snaps back on to allow you to can open to your heart's content. But it's just kind of a weird choice. And in general, it's just sort of an unusual knife. Now, these are discontinued, but I mean, like, the thing is, if you want like a little bit bigger pocket knife than the traditional 91mm, and you don't like the 111mm, the one-handed opening ones, this is kind of an interesting middle ground. Like I said, they're discontinued. If you look around, like online, they pop up on eBay every now and then. The prices, though, they vary wildly. Like, you can find, like I found a little bit ago, I found this one exactly as you see it. It's basically new in the box. I mean, the box is beat up and all, and it was, I want to say under $50. It wasn't super expensive, and I thought it was really cool as a piece of Swiss Army knife kind of history. But I've also seen them run, $200 or $300. So if you're interested in one of these, keep an eye around online. Maybe check some knife forums, that kind of thing. See if anyone's selling them. And the other thing is, make sure if you are getting one to carry, you get one with the quality that you're happy with, because I've seen ones of these that were super beat up, and I mean knives get beat up. So just be wary if you're shopping, and make sure if you're looking for something, especially if you want something that's like as a collectible, that you get one that's in decent shape. Anyway. Let me know what you think in the comments. Weird, odd Swiss Army knife? Something cool and they should bring back? Do you like the larger format versus the... Because, like, this is a larger Swiss Army knife with the same Swiss Army knife format. The 111mm ones have a distinctly different look to them. So, I mean, do you want a bigger Swiss Army knife that still looks like a Swiss Army knife? Or are you okay with the 111mm ones? Let me know in the comments. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope y'all have an excellent day.